remove silent mode from Nokia 2660 flip small phone. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can remove silent mode from Nokia 2660 flip phone. So to remove your silent mode on your Nokia 2660 flip or similar Nokia feature phone, you have to follow this step. So for turning off the silent mode, you have to press the menu button, which is usually located in the center. And you have to use the directional keys to select the profile or setting depending on your phone menu. And you have to highlight the profile currently in use, so which is like set to silent, and you have to select the option or edit and then choose the general or another profile that is on silent. So there you have to confirm and activate the profile by pressing OK or the appropriate selection button. So with the help of this following step, you should be able to remove the silent mode and restore normal sound setting on your Nokia 266 flip small phone. Also, you can press the volume up or volume down button on the side of the phone to quickly toggle between the sound profile. So some Nokia phone have a shortcut key or a dedicated button for quickly changing the sound profile. That's it for today. So that's the process how you can remove your silent mode from your Nokia 2660 flip small phone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.